I'm going to make another Warka production. Hello YouTubers. Got to put my hoodie up as it's raining. It's pissing down the rain. Oh, I got a fucking hangover today. But shout out to fucking all the MODC, fucking UK drinkers. Fuck you to the fucking trolls and the haters. Fuck off. God, I do miss the banter with these trolls. Come on, bring your fucking war back again, trolls. Look forward to it. Check the Garbino, Freddy Krueger Liquor, Roach 420. JD Drinker. Mr. 40 Ants, Turno J Jones. P Glenn. Whew. Got a fucking headache, but there you go. Fuck it. No, a fucking headache ain't gonna stop me from doing a malt liquor production. Not even the rain's gonna stop me from doing a malt liquor production. The fucking trolls don't stop me from doing a malt liquor production. Shout out to Craig Soane, my flicker. Here we go. Walking it strong. That people, live TV people. Shout out to live TV boys. I ain't seen it for a while. Big fuck you to Congasm. I'm a baby girl. Fuck off with shit. It's like, oh, I've only got 2 beers for the day. Fuck that. I ain't doing it anymore today. But I'll do this video for you, or all you good old people. Shout out to E286. Hope you're doing good, brother. Let's get this video started. Got some more Xbox games. I bought 2 games of a sister. Got Lost Planet and Call of Duty Black Ops 2. I bought Battlefield Hardline last night. Good game. Also got WWE 16. Oh no, WWE 15. I also got oh yeah, Need for Speed Most Wanted. I got as well. I ain't played them yet. Don't get a lot of comments on my videos anymore, but I don't give a fucking shit about that anymore, you know. Still ain't gonna fucking quit. I ain't gonna fucking stop. Shout out to the Metal Madman. Good old cool old dude. If people don't know the Metal Madman, check out his channel. Big fuck you to Ted Barrow. Stay dead, bitch. Good one. Fucking French people. Look at the old bunny rabbit. Just sitting there. You go hamster, I ain't seen him, lady. I don't know if he's dead or alive. Shout out to Seaside Mark as he fucking left YouTube again. Dear me, Seaside Mark. Why the fuck do you have to leave YouTube for? Fucking ridiculous. Fucking the gambling community, fucking hell. The gambling community fucking used to make look, they've done everything in their power to try and destroy me, and I'm still here. Still here, representing. Yeah, it's fucking raining softly, it is. But I like to do a video in the garden. I like to do that. I like to do a video in the garden. It's just peacefully, you know. Just watched our Garbino's video. Good video he did. Oh. There you go. Yeah, my old girlfriend's 20 weeks pregnant now, you know. Got another baby on the way. So there you go. That's the way part of life is, isn't it? Malt liquor. Yeah. This chug is for you, Craigstone. This chug is for you, brother. I can say about that. Yeah. Hopefully it gets fucking warmed up. As a mate Paul soon, he's gonna get fucking some ghost equipment. And me and him probably gonna go some ghost hunting. I'm gonna put it on my YouTube so everyone can see. Check that out. You know what I mean? Check that out. Hope you can see me on the camera. It's still recording. Oh yeah, still recording 7 minutes. I can't wait to play my old Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Well, I can't wait to play that game. I've played that game, done that game for ages. I also got fucking good old fucking Battlefield Hardline. I ain't completed that yet. But I'm gonna play it today. I'll burn on it. But like I said, if anyone's got an Xbox 360, put your game tag in the comments, and I'll add you. I don't know if you got one, Garbino. I'm not sure. If you had, I'll be able to send you messages and all that, you know, from your message and everything. You know, I only fucking someone to do a mission with on GTA because I'm only just beginning again. I need to build up my fucking money. When you do it yourself, mate, because you get fucking twats online and they fucking don't bother, just exit the mission and expect you to do it your fucking self. Fucking bullshit. Oh, the fucking rain. Always has to rain in the UK. Fucking shit, innit? Never get hot sun. So yeah, the Rates Forward 20. Had a good old fucking had a good old fucking chat with Rates Forward 20 on camera yesterday. Fucking laugh. So share the Rates Forward 20. Oh. So I tell you what though, when you got a hangover, and then you got a headache, you only got to drink a beer, then you're back normal again. Oh, look at it. Sorry, it's a bit long video, people, but you know, I like to talk and I'll talk about different things. Oh. Oh, my poor mum and dad's budgie that passed away, died the other day. And he had it about 5-6 years. That's the way it goes with budgies, isn't it? They only live for 6 years and they die. Still got a green young one in there, but it's on his own there, poor old thing. That's part of life, isn't it? What you do about it. You probably heard in my last video that budgie or perching away. Particularly though, I wouldn't buy a budgie myself. Dude, my head in it would, with that noise it would. I'd like to get a parrot. No, I don't know if anyone's seen Roach 420's parrot, but he's got a fucking good parrot, Roach 420 has. Talks and everything. Fucking epic. Huh. Kids walk past. Fucking hell, must be going somewhere. Oh, well, there you go. I don't think what to say. Oh, show the E-Toy. I said the E-Toy's like latest video, fucking epic video. But E-Toy, keep on doing your thing, brother. Keep on doing your fucking good entertainment videos. Some people hate you in the malt liquor drinking community, but I don't hate you there, E286. You're a good old dude, and I respect you. I respect you, E286, because the fact is, you bring in Machiavelli 420. And I always fucking appreciate you for that, brother. A brother from another mother, E286, mate. Cheers, brother. If people don't know who E286 is, subscribe to the channel. Good entertainer. He made me laugh when he made that video, E-Tordo, when he made that video about playing the old radio station that had no music on it. Oh, that one was a good one. Okay, now shout out to Indiana Mole. Where's he fucking gone? Is he dead? Or did he get lost in his track, did he? Where the fuck is Sandupini gone? Okay, now Sandupini, I used to love watching Sandupini's videos. Where's he gone? Where the fuck is Sandupini gone? He used to do good old Scarface videos, Terminator videos. Where the fuck is he gone, mate? We need him back. I'll tell you what, Garbino, we really do need Sandupini back, don't we? We really do. Shout out to Mr. 40, yeah, they're good entertainer. Okay, Hillbilly. See, there's some good old people in this malt liquor drinking community. Like from back in the day, I've watched these old malt liquor guys, and half of them are fucking gone. Need to fucking come back, they do, and come up, they do. Not fucking just die. Rest in peace, HDP77. Rest in peace to him. I had a troll saying, oh, he hated me. Oh, sure he did. He used to love the 420 crew. He used to play NWO music, DX, WWE. He used to love our fucking videos, so fuck off, troll. You fucking mayonnaise, motherfucker. So I have to say about that. Ugh. How much video is this going for? Fucking hell, 14 fucking minutes. Fucking hell, talking a while, ain't I? My side's a bit long, people, but I just like to ramble on and have a conversation and talk about what's happening. Shout out to Malt Therapy. Even shout out to Malt Therapy. I watched this fucking video earlier. Even if you didn't see him on it, but cheers to you, Malt Therapy. I know you really don't get on these days, but the fact is, Malt Therapy. Shout out to you because you drank a fucking Warka. They're fucking strong. So shout out to you, Malt Therapy. Let's say Malt Therapy. Everybody misses your good old videos you used to do. You used to good fucking do abandoned buildings and fucking with good old spray paint on it doing the video. That you couldn't beat. They were good fucking entertainment. They were good videos. And then he said about why did Mr. 40 send you a package? Because you stopped doing that. If you kept on doing that and doing that in the banner films, like drinking the old beer or drinking the old Cold 45s, like make loads and loads, it would send you a package and comment on this channel. It would send you a package. You would have done. That's how it works. Mark Fairby. Even made that Ghost Adventures for me years. That was an entertaining video as well. See, you need to fucking come back on fucking board, Mark Fairby. I don't give a shit what people say about you. That's what I do. I don't give a fuck what people think of me. Because I'm fucking still here, representing. I don't give a shit about the fucking trolls. I don't give a shit about the family I don't get on with. You know? Make a load of shit up about me. Shout out to Craig Stone. I'm out, people. Malt fucking Ligger. Malt Ligger, label out.